Hey guys, this is video number 2 of what it takes to grow beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, anything you want under this plastic. I built a machine that lays it down, it lays drip tape underneath, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. But before we get started, hit the like button and subscribe because I'm gonna keep it coming. Let's go. This is the plastic mulcher I built. The plastic will go right here. I'll show you that in a minute. It'll roll off. It'll go under here. In addition to laying plastic, it lays drip tape at the same time. It rolls off this spool and it goes in here, and as it's feeding off, it'll be under the dirt, about 2 inches under your plastic. The drip tape has emitters every 12 inches, here and here, and this faces up a little bit below the dirt. And I'm gonna tell you guys, this really transforms everything, because in Louisiana we get a lot of water, and some places they don't get enough water, and you can, the plastic holds the moisture, and you can really control things with this. You can also shoot fertilizer and calcium and whatever you need on demand. This is the hiller I built. It kind of hills it up and packs it at the same time. I got to take these attachments off right here. That'll slide off like that. I will take these off. All right. That ought to be about right. Stomp these clods down, kind of kick it over and work them down. It's got a small ditch on the side of the row, so it drains really good. So I'm telling you, that's a big problem in Louisiana. So we just got done with the garden, and I want to show you the difference, because I did half of it without a middle buster, just the tiller, and I did the other half tiller and middle buster. So this is the side that I didn't use the middle buster. Look at these big clods. See, that hard pan rolls up in these big knots, and it peels the plastic up with it, and it makes life not very much fun when you're putting down this plastic. You got to stop all the time. So it's best to use a middle buster, get all that hard pan up, and then till it. And it'll mix all the sand in, and it's way better that way. Hey guys, if you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button, because in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to hook up this valve system, hooks to this header pipe, how to lay that out, how to do the pressure regulator on the end, and I'm even gonna show you, I've got a fertilizer injector in that little metal building, and I've got it piped to my gardens. That way I don't have to try to mess with fertilizer on the ground, on my knees. It's a bummer to try to do it that way, measuring it out and stuff. And when I say fertilizer, I mean fish emulsion, calcium. You can shoot calcium straight to the roots. You can use 20-20-20. Triple 20 works real good. It's not organic, but you know, some people can't get access to organic fertilizers. With that said, just know the food shortages are real. It's coming, it's in the mail. We have a small lag. It's gonna affect the whole globe. I'll clip a little segment in of Biden mumbling about food shortages and how they're real, like we don't know it. We've been talking about it for 6 months, right, or a year. And he's also said there's gonna be a new world order, and the Fed chair come out and said we're not gonna be the world reserve currency. Let's brace for impact, guys. Let's get ready and at least be able to feed our family. And if you're interested in the garden, you don't have to use plastic mulch. You can do your own thing. I'm just showing you what works for me, and maybe it'll help somebody. Y'all have an awesome, awesome day. I'll see you tomorrow.
With regard to food shortage, yes, we did talk about food shortages. And it's going to be real. The price of these sanctions is not just imposed upon Russia. It's imposed upon an awful lot of countries as well, including European countries and our country as well.